Today I'm cooking chicken fricassee. It's a cozy one-pot French classic dish. It's simple but elegant, that's the best way of describing it. It's chicken with cream, herbs, mushrooms. It's so beautiful and I haven't made it in ages. The first thing I'm going to do is brown off all these chicken pieces. I'm using chicken thighs, but you could use a whole chicken and then cut it all up into 12 pieces, but this is a little bit easier. My butter has melted and I'm putting in the chicken pieces, skin side down, to brown them. Tuck them all in. I want them lovely and golden brown. And next, I'm going to season them up with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Lots of pepper. Whenever it's a creamy sauce, I put in extra pepper. While they're browning, I'm going to get everything else prepped. I've got one celery, one carrot and one onion. And I'm going to dice them up into small little pieces and they're going to be a little base to the chicken fricassee. Oh, hello. Look who's here. Teddy! Teddy! Very excited, Teddy. Okay, wash my hands after the doggy. Okay, let's get all of these diced up into small little pieces. Onion, carrot and celery. Keeping an eye on the chicken at the same time. We're multitasking to make this as fast as possible. Okay, we want really nice small dices because I want this to kind of disappear into the casserole dish. Okay. In French, they call this little flavour bomb in their casseroles, the carrot and the onion and the celery, mirepoix. So we're making a little mirepoix. Okay, let's check the chicken. This is the brown that we want to get, and then we just turn it over. The browning of the chicken does two things. It obviously looks gorgeous because of the golden colour, but also gives lovely texture and also it seals in all the juices of the chicken so the chicken doesn't get dry. So this is quite an important step. Okay, let's get that chicken out and look at all the gorgeous juices that are in that pan. So that is going to be my cooking juice or fat for the mirepoix and for the mushrooms as well. So much flavour in the base of that casserole right now. And here comes the mirepoix. And I'm going to reduce the heat down to low, medium to low. See all those lovely little brown bits here? Scrape these off because these are full of flavour, all that lovely chicken flavour, and get it all into that mirepoix. Okay, mushroom prepping time. We're going to chop the mushrooms into quarters. I'm using chestnut mushrooms because they've got such gorgeous flavour, but you could use lots of different mixes of mushrooms in here, porcini, or whatever it is that you can get your hands on. I love the chestnut mushrooms, lovely and meaty. I'm also adding in 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm going to pop in when I'm putting in the mushrooms. So I'm going to get those crushed now. In go all the mushrooms, and then mushrooms love pepper, so extra pepper. A little sea salt. We're layering the seasoning as we're going along, mixed in with all the gorgeous juicy flavours from that chicken. These are going to be lovely and glossy. Okay, next is the garlic. Give it a really good stir. And next is flour. 1 tablespoon of flour. This will really help the sauce thicken up Need to make sure you cook out all the flour before we add back in the chicken and before we add the white wine and the chicken stock. Okay, so just cook that out. Okay, this is my base. Looking lovely and golden. Flavor is so good. Okay, I'm gonna add the chicken back in that I've browned. Remember from earlier? Yeah, just dunk it all in and then give it a nice stir. Next, white wine. This is not optional. This really adds a fantastic flavor. So I put in a glass of white wine. Oh. Salute. Okay, 1 glass of white wine. That's a big glass, isn't it? Okay, we want to put this back over the heat for about 5 minutes, reduce it a little bit, and then we're going to pop in the chicken stock. I'm putting together a little herb bundle for flavor. I'm not chopping it up and putting it in. I'm just wrapping it all together, and then I'm going to remove it at the end. I've got a bay leaf, I've got some flat leaf parsley, and I've got a little bit of rosemary as well. So I'm going to add in a sprig of rosemary, or you could use thyme as well. It's a little bouquet garni, and I'm just going to tie it up and add it in. That's it. A little simple bouquet garni, which will really infuse the chicken fricassee with lots of flavour. Okay, next, add in the chicken stock. In it goes. Fresh chicken stock. Okay, chicken stock is here. Just, at this point, I always just push the chicken down to make sure it's all covered. Popping in my bouquet garni. Okay, night for the magic happened for 45 minutes on a medium heat. I'm going to add in some gorgeous fresh tarragon into the fricassee. I love the flavour of tarragon with the cream and the lemon and the chicken. It's just really such a classic. So beautiful together. Nothing can replace actually this tarragon. I want to say there's loads of other things you could use instead of the tarragon, but really it's such a unique flavour and just so good with the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to get this chopped up really finely. Okay. Should we have a look inside? Isn't that amazing? Fricassee amazing? Oh God, I sound so cheesy. Oh, the smell is so good. And look how the sauce is all thickened up with all the juices of the chicken and that gorgeous mille pois that we did and the mushrooms. Okay, next I'm adding in the fresh tarragon. Okay. Oh, I'm going to take out that little bouquet garni. That can go in the bin. Bum, bum, bum. I'm popping in some cream, just 60 mils. And I'm popping in the juice of 1 lemon. And whenever I add cream or I make a cream sauce, I add some lemon juice that really freshens it up. And it also helps thicken the sauce because there's pectin in it. It's the postman. Okay, give this a really, really good stir. Guys, look how good this is looking. This is amazing. And the smell. Okay, I'm going to pop this on to cook for another 5 minutes, just to get all that cream and lemon and tarragon infused. And we're going to serve it with some lovely simple rice. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see this. Oh my God, so good. It's so good. All the sauce is thickened up. I mean, this is the dream scenario on a chilly night. Actually, I'd even have this in the summer. The smell of the tarragon, the cream, the juices from the chicken, the mushroom, the white wine, the chicken stock. The garlic, I could go on. It's so, so delicious. I serve mine up with a little bit of rice. Look how thick this sauce is. You don't need to add roux, you don't need to add any thickening agents. So simple. Simple and elegant. That's exactly what I call this delicious classic French comfort food. Yum, yum, yum. Guys, are you coming?
Here.
How good is that? Okay, they're rolling next.